Hello, welcome everybody to a new video. Today we're going to continue talking about discrete probability distributions, but in this case we're going to talk about expected value, what it is and how to find it. And well, let's say that if you roll a fair dice enough times, you would expect to get a mean score of 3.5 because, well, is the mean of the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So this is the theoretical mean of this or the expected value of the random variable, okay? The expected value, denoted as E of X, capital X, capital letter X, is going to be, well, the average value that you will get if you carry out the experiment infinitely many repetitions, okay? So this one is going to be sometimes denoted as mu, which is the mean. So to find the expected value, we're going to use this formula. It says that the x of x is equal to the sum, of all the x times the probability of x equal x. Okay, so all of the x in that probability distribution, we're going to multiply the outcome times its probability, and then we're going to add all of this, and that result is going to be the expected value. Okay, so let's say, for example, that we're going to have this probability distribution. We're going to have here this one x, and the probability of x equal x. So here we have 1, 2, and 3, and the probability of this is 0.4, and the probability of this is 0.5, and the probability of this one is 0.1. Okay, so to find the expected value, what we're going to do is multiply each outcome times its probability. Okay, so we're going to have here and then add all of that. Okay, so we're going to have 1 times 0.4 plus 2 times 0.5 plus 3 times 0.1. So this one is going to be equal to 0.4 plus 1 plus 0.3. So this is equal to 1.7. Okay, and well, even though 1.7 is not an element of the possible outcomes, right? So, it is impossible to get 1.7. Well, this just means that 1.7 is going to be the average value that we're going to get if we repeat the experiment many times. Once we talk about expected value, it is important that we talk about now fair game. Okay, why? Because, well, in gambling, the expected gain of a player is going to be the expected return or payout from the game less the amount it cost them to play. Okay, so a game is said to be fair if the expected gain is zero. Okay, this expected gain, well, we're going to find it using the expected value. Okay, so let's say that we're going to play a game, and to play this game, you're going to pay $4. Okay, once you pay this $4, well, you're going to roll a dice, a fair standard dice, and you're going to get back the score on the dice in dollars. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do to explain this is find, well, the probability distribution. So the probability distribution for this is going to be as the first one, where we have here that the possible outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so, well, the probability of each of these outcomes, well, is going to be the same because, well, all these numbers have the same probability to occur. So it's 1/6, 1/6, 1/6, and 1/6, right? So, well, this one is our probability distribution, right? And, well, now well, we're going to find the expected value, okay? Remember that to find the expected value is just the multiplication between the possible outcomes times the probability, right? So in this case, we have 1 times 1 is 6 plus 2 times, sorry, I'm going to write it like over here, 2 times 1 6 times plus 3 times 3. So, well, if we do that, well, this one is going to be equal to 3.5, right? So the expected payout of this game is going to be equal, right, to $3.50, okay? $3.50. But because you have to pay $4 to play the game, actually you are expected to lose, okay? You are expected to lose, well, 4 minus 3.50, this is equal to 0.50 dollars cents, so what you're going to expect it to lose this every time that you play this game, okay? So in this case, this one is not going to be a fair game. It wouldn't be a fair game if the value that you're supposed to pay to play the game would be 3.50. Well, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to ask if you have any questions, and I will try to help you to solve your doubts, okay? So, see you in the next video. Bye bye.